So hi everyone, welcome to our channel SLR the Universal Hub. So how are you? I think you are feeling well and you are good. Your family is also good. I pray to God that you and your family remain happy and healthy. So without further ado, let's start the today's video. So friends, in today's video, what will I teach you is how you will able to tell the your website user that his network connection is good, medium, or very low using the Google API. So let's without further ado start with the coding part. So let's open our notepad. On this document, didn't pasted anything, so let us write some visible code now. Let's style the container part of the make it with 100% and height of 100 pixel, and let make it border 1 pixel solid gray. So hello friend, as you are seeing the div which I gave border is now visible. I have given border with 1 pixel. Let us make it shorter as a dot. So let us make it with only up to 100 pixel. 100 pixel. I'm making this dot as a bigger because it will not be visible to you if it is too much shorter. So let us make this. So now this is visible to us as a box, and let now make this border radius 50% to make it look like a circle. Now it will be looking like towards a circle. As you are seeing, it is looking like a circle, and let us devise some classes for it to make it more. Let if the So let us now make the classes to make it background color different depending on different situation. So if it is low, let us make it background green. Oh, for the low, let us make it red. Okay, this is the red one, and for the middle one, let us make it yellow, and for the high one, let us make it green. So now let us firstly attach a class of low with it. Now the background of the circle must be looking like the red one. As you are seeing, it is red. So now let us write a JavaScript to let us remind that. So now let us start with the JavaScript part, which will tell us how good is your network for to the user. So let me first describe how will I will do this using the JavaScript. So in the Chrome we have an API called Navigator. Using this navigator, this contain and navigator contain the connection variable, which contain the different properties of your connection through which you are connected to the Chrome. So as you are seeing, this is hit it, the dot connection is returning some network information interface to us. In this interface we are getting the downloads link speed. This link speed is megabit per second. And for whatever the your network type, it is guessing your network type as per its own method, which is written in inside it. So I don't know how it's calculating, but yes, this is calculating the right one. My network type is 4G. This on change is a method type. Here you can apply any method, like if there is a change in network speed, what you want to do. So here is the RTT. This is the routing time, how much time it is taking to calculate your network speed to the nearest router. So let us start with this is the intro for this interface. Let us start with the main part. So let us write the JavaScript. Let create a constant of connection, and let us set a interval and a callback function inside it. You can also use this on change method if you want to, because this method will only call when there is a change in the network type, but I'm using that set interval because it will run after some interval, so it constantly run. So and let us make this run after every 1 second. uh, let let us make this inside this, and this download link property is here. As you are seeing in this interface, here is this down link. This is the property which is telling us what is the type of your network speed. So now let us write some condition here. If your connection is less than 3, then and if our connection is greater than 7, let us attach high class to it, which will show us green, that is telling us that this connection will remain good through is good. So let us save it now. Let us check is our script is running fine or not. Refresh it. Okay, by mistake I forgot to put the closing tag in the script. Let us refresh it now again. As you are seeing, the color of this box is depending upon which type of your connection type is. So currently my connection is speed is between 3 to 7 MB per megabit per second. So let us check. Let me disconnect my device connection from and check whether it is working perfectly fine or not. So my speed currently is between 3 to 7 mbps. Now I disconnected my data from the device. As you are seeing, I disconnected my device from the internet, and currently I am checking the data, and the defective type is 3G, and the download link is 4.0 it is not a particular speed, is it is in a zero. So our network type is currently bad. Let me reconnect my device. So now as you are seeing, my device got connected automatically to the network, and now it is showing me yellow again, which is the speed between in middle. Let us test it one more time to check whether it is working perfectly fine or not. I disconnected it again and see is it getting red. As you are seeing, the dot got red because I disconnected my network. As here you can see, the network is not connected and it got redded. Let us reconnect it again and check if it is working perfectly fine or not. So I reconnected it again and see whether it so here the network got connected, and as you can see here the dot got yellow again. So using this technique you can tell your user which kind of a network speed is the user's network. So let me tell you one more thing in this. So today I told you that using this you can disconnect using this you can tell your user what kind of network speed he is using, whether it is good, low, or in between middle. But uh, there is a catch in this API, because it will not show you the network speed more than 10 MB per second. So if your network speed is more than 10, then it will only show as a 10. So mostly most of the website use will work perfectly fine or pretty good in the 10 mbps network, but there are some website which will not work in 10 those conditions. So you need to always uh, that is in your mind that which kind of a website you are developing, or it a high speed website which is asking a high speed network from you. So if your website is not a much depending on a speed, it is just showing some data to the user and collecting information, then 10 mbps might be a good choice. So you can perform this task in those website. But for high speed network website which ask more than 10 mbps data from you, I don't recommend using this method. But for website which does not consume that much data, 10 mbps is a pretty much good speed for it. So thank you for today, friends. Friends, please subscribe my channel to support me in this my journey, and please like the video and comment if you want to add some point in this video, and also share the video. Thank you. Let me meet you next video again.